I was hit by a bus in September 2016, and the original operation to pin and plate it wasn't successful, and I was still in an awful lot of pain I was disabled a year later, and I did some research on the internet and asked my GP to refer me to the Reading Shoulder Unit and Professor Levy. And Professor Levy operated in September 2017, and I went from being somebody who was really quite severely disabled and in pain all the time, and I was trying to work while in pain, to someone who I have a virtually full range of movement, and I'm doing all the things that I enjoy doing, and the operation was a fantastic success. So and because I got my life back, and I'm very grateful. So it's 3.5 years after my Verso shoulder operation, and yeah, fantastic mobility, really happy.